Student, we will start explanation lesson 3. The name of the lesson is clothes we wear. Okay? First, take a screenshot. Warm up exercise. Look at these pictures of clothes. Write the season in which you would wear them. Take the help of the words given in the boxes. Class, look at these pictures. Look at these pictures. Some clothes are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, class? Some clothes. The season in which you would wear them. Fill in the blank places with the help of these words. Okay, class? Summer, winter, rain, the rains. First picture, जैकेट. और जैकेट हम कब पहनते हैं? समर, विंटर, रेन. यस, विंटर सीजन. राइट डाउन विंटर. WINTER. winter. Second picture, T-shirt. Summer season. Third picture, raincoat. Rainy season. Fourth, shorts. Summer season. This picture, gumboot, rains. Last picture, sweater, means winter season. है ना, विंटर सीजन में हम इसे वेयर करेंगे स्वेटर को. राइट डाउन विंटर. Clothes are one of our basic. Underline word basic, means fundamental or necessary needs. Clothes are garments. Underline word means garment, means a garment is a piece of cloth that we wear to cover our bodies. Clothes keep us safe from heat, cold, rain and wind. Underline word wind. Wind means a wind is a wind is a moving air. Clothes also keep us safe from insect. Underline word insect. Insect means a type of very small animals with 6 legs, a body divided into 3 parts and usually 2 pair two pair of wings. Bite, bite. Insect bite means a small red mark caused by the bite of an insect. Clothes are our fundamental and necessary needs. Clothes are garments that we wear to cover our body. A garment is a piece of clothes. We wear clothes to cover our body. Okay, class? We wear clothes to protect our body. Clothes keep us safe from heat, cold, rain and wind. Clothes keep us safe from insect bite. Clothes keep us safe from bad weather. Bad weather means heat, cold, rain. Heat, in the summer season environment is very hot, और उस समय हमें किसकी नीड होती है? क्लोथ्स की नीड होती है, एक प्रॉपर शेल्टर की नीड होती है, हाउस की नीड होती है. कोल्ड एंड रेन एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड. ओके, एंड सेफ फ्रॉम इंसेक्ट बाइट. बाइट मीन्स टू कट. इन सब चीज़ों से बचने के लिए, अपनी बॉडी को, अपने आप को सेफ रखने के लिए हमें किसकी नीड होती है? क्लोथ्स की नीड होती है. ओके क्लास, वेरी गुड. लॉन्ग अगो पीपल कवर्ड themselves with the leaves and skin of animal. With time, people learn to make clothes. Long ago, underline the word. Back in the past या earlier time. Okay class? Back in the past, people were to cover themselves with leaves and animal skin. Now at present, people learn to make clothes. Need of clothes. Clothes give comfort to our body. They protect us from. Protect means, underline the word protect, safe. Comfort means relax. Okay class? Sunburn in hot weather, chill in cold weather, getting wet in the rains and insect. Clothes give us relax and relief to our body. They save from us different types. Okay, in the summer season, sun shine very brightly. Look at the picture. In the summer season, sun shine very brightly. Sunburn in hot weather. Underline the word sunburn. Means a condition in which your skin is sure and red because you have spend too long in the strong heat and the sun. Chill in cold weather. Getting wet in the rains and insect bite. Okay class, cold weather विंटर वेदर की ड्रेस अलग होती है, स्वेटर्स वगैरह. रेनी सीजन में रेन कोट, गम बूट. ओके, वेरी गुड. टाइप्स ऑफ क्लोथ्स. We wear the following types of clothes. Types of cloth: occasional, seasonal, occasional and uniform. Underline the word seasonal. Seasonal means happening during the one particular time of the year. Occasional, underline the word occasional, meaning sometimes but not regularly. Uniform, underline the word uniform, meaning a uniform is a special set of clothes which some people. Seasonal clothes. We wear different types of clothes in different season. We wear different kinds of clothes in various season. Summer, our clothes in the summer have to be. In the summer have to be our clothes. समर सीजन में हमारे क्लोथ्स कैसे होते हैं? वो क्लोथ्स जो हमें क्या करते हैं, कंफर्ट देते हैं, रिलैक्स देते हैं. ओके क्लास. मेड ऑफ कॉटन. We get cotton from the cotton plants. Cotton is spun into threads, then cloth is woven from these threads. Cotton is soft and comfortable. It absorbs sweat. Cotton is a natural fiber. We get it from the cotton plants. Look at the picture class. This is cotton plant. Okay class. Cotton इस ये जो वाइट फ्लावर है ये कॉटन है और इससे ही हम कॉटन थ्रेड रेडी करते हैं. ओके. The cotton fiber is gathered from the plant. It can be spun into cotton thread. The cotton thread can then be made into clothes. ओके क्लास, हम क्या करते हैं, कॉटन प्लांट से सारे कॉटन जो होते हैं उसको कलेक्ट करते हैं, फिर उससे हम कॉटन थ्रेड रेडी करते हैं और फिर हमारे जो क्लोथ्स हैं वो रेडी होते हैं. कॉटन इज़ सॉफ्ट एंड कंफर्टेबल. Cotton is very soft and comfortable, means relax. It absorbs sweat. Underline the sweat. Sweat means to produce liquid your skin. Because you are hot, oil absorb, underline the word meaning, to take in and soak up. Okay class, when we wear cotton clothes, the cotton clothes absorb the sweat in itself. जब हमारी बॉडी में पसीना आता है, स्वेट होता है, तो हम कैसे हो जाते हैं, डिस्कम्फर्ट फील करने लगते हैं. ठीक है, इसलिए मोस्टली समर सीज़न में हम कॉटन क्लोथ्स वेयर करना प्रेफर करते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, लूज एंड थिन. लूज एंड थिन. लूज एंड थिन क्लोथ्स आर आइडियल फॉर एयर सर्कुलेशन. अंडरलाइन द वर्ड सर्कुलेशन. Around our body, they ease movements of our limbs. Loose means not tight, thin not thick, ideal, perfect. Okay class, cotton clothes are perfect for air circulation our body. It is not tight and thick. Okay class, वो कैसे होते हैं, लूज होते हैं, नॉट टाइट, एंड थिक मीन्स थिन होते हैं, नॉट थिक. ओके, cotton clothes make easier movement our limbs. और हम क्या कर सकते हैं, जो हमारे हैंड हैं, लेग्स हैं, उसमें ईज़िली मूवमेंट भी कर सकते हैं. कॉटन क्लोथ इतने कंफर्टेबल होते हैं. लाइट कलर्ड clothes do not absorbs heat. Absorbs means, I already told you, the meaning of absorb. Heat. Instead they reflect it. Underline the word reflect. Reflect means throw back. When we wear light clothes, we do not feel much heat, because light clothes do not absorb the heat, they return them. Okay class, very good. Winter, in winter we should wear clothes which are woolen clothes. We get wool from sheep. A sheep's body is covered with thick hair. These hair are cut and cleaned to make wool thread. Wool is a natural animal fiber. Comes from sheep, goat, camel, etc. All these animals have an outer covering of hair. जो sheep होती है class, okay class, this is sheep, okay. ये जो इसका है ये पार्ट, इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, आउटर कवरिंग ऑफ हेयर. पूरी बॉडी जो है शीप की वो किससे कवर्ड है, हेयर से कवर्ड है. विच इज शेप्ड ऑफ टू ऑब्टेन्ड वूल फाइबर एंड क्लीन टू मेक वुलन थ्रेड. ओके क्लास, जब इसकी बॉडी को हम क्या करते हैं, शेव्ड करते हैं, तो ये जितना भी इसका हेयर है वो हम कलेक्ट करते हैं और उसके बाद हम क्या रेडी करते हैं, थ्रेड रेडी करते हैं. ओके, वेरी गुड. स्टार्ट राइटिंग क्वेश्चन आंसर. राइट डाउन दिस क्वेश्चन आंसर इन योर नोटबुक. First write lesson 3, date, which day doing this work, class work, classwork. Write down question number 1. First letter is capital Y. Do, we, need, clothes, clothes, question mark. Answer 1. Answer 1. Answer is clothes, first letter capital, gives, comfort, to our body. Keep one finger space after every word. They protect 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 us from number 1 sunburn, sunburn in hot weather, weather. Number 2 number 2 chill in capital letter C, first letter capital, chill in cold weather. Number 3 getting wet in the rain, and insect. 4 number insect, insect. Repeat again. Question number 1, why do we need clothes? Answer 1, clothes give comfort to our body. They protect us from number 1 sunburn in hot weather, number 2 chill in cold weather, number 3 getting wet in the rain, and 4 number insect. Now question number 2, first letter capital, name the 3 types of clothes. Answer 2, we First letter capital V. Wear the following types of clothes. Number 1, seasonal. Number 1, seasonal. Number 2, occasional. Number 3, uniform. Uniforms. Okay class, repeat again. Question number 2. Name the following types of clothes. Answer 2. We wear the following types of clothes. Number 1, seasonal clothes. Number 1, seasonal clothes. Number 2, occasional clothes. Number 3, uniform. Okay class, today's homework: learn and write question number 1 and question number 2. Okay, after this work, go to the washroom and wash your hands with soap. Be ready for the next class.